Hi guys, before we start this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications down below. So today we're playing Pop It Trade. Let's start. So yes, I've been playing with you guys. I'm sorry that it took me a long time before I started playing. It's just that it has been a while because I had to do some stuff. I do this all the time because I like to get a lot of Pop Its, just to tell you guys. Yeah, he kind of does that. Add, oh, nope. You guys that it takes me a long time, but I got some new Simple Dimples. I got a lot of things now. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next trade will trade a I2 3 ice creams. Because today we're going to trade 3 of some stuff. Because I have to make... Wait. I know, you guys, it's... What did I just do? You guys, did you just see me? Look what I accidentally pressed. Isn't that so sad? I accidentally did that. Oh no! I just lost some of my fidgets. But hey. Oh. What did I just do? And then we'll need to add this. Wait! Jeez, I know you guys. He doesn't listen. Oh no. No! You guys, we did it again! Isn't that just so sad? We're just doing this. Yes, in this game I have the unicorn and Among Us Simple Dimple. In this game, you guys tell me in the comments down below what's your favorite Pop It. Okay, so we did something right there. Hold on, you guys, be right back. Sorry, you guys, that you had to wait because that's a ad got in the way, so I didn't want you guys to have to watch it. Whoa, do you guys see this? Let's add some Simple Dimples. Now in the game, this is called a trade Pop Its, but so in the game you're supposed to just trade Pop Its and stuff. And you guys, this took me a while to get good at because I had to watch ads, so it's up to you guys if you want it. I don't tell anybody what to do. They're the boss themselves. Add more. Have to save a bit. So in this game, it's just about trades and stuff. Yes, and if you guys want to know why I'm making them add so much, it's because that I've added a lot of stuff. One more thing, yeah. Do you guys see how much stuff I just got? Hold on, you guys, be right back. Okay, guys, I guess I'm just gonna show you this ad because it's annoying, and I want to show you guys this game. Okay, so when we press the home button, it's gonna show you this, right? Press try toy. And then it'll let you play with your Pop Its. I have a lot of Pop Its. So yeah, they're squishies. You're supposed to do that. If you guys have any of these tell me your favorite Poppet in the comments down below. But if you guys have any of these Poppets, tell me. Because then you guys are so lucky. You want to know why? I only got this unicorn Poppet on here. So you guys are lucky. Hold on, you guys. I don't know why they keep. Okay, guys. So since this ads keep happening, we're just gonna play something else that's called Queen Bee. Yes, I know it's weird. That's called Queen Bee. I said that too. So now, I wonder what this game's about, right, you guys? Like, don't you wonder what this game's about? Okay, great. I thought you fixed it. And sorry about the mess, you guys. I didn't kind of get to clean up my games yet. Tell me your favorite YouTuber in the comments down below, because that might be mine too. Possibility, that's why. Since this won't work, you guys, we got one more attempt, but this is it. Okay. So, the last attempt is to play Pokemon Go. Yes, I know. It's kind of sad. Tell me your favorite game of Pokemon. If you don't like Pokemon, it's okay. You don't have to say anything in the chat. But you guys see this? Pokemon Go's already updating. Wow, right? Oh. So this is all for today, you guys. I hope you had a video and an awesome day. Bye!